October Rose of Friday Girl TV and rock pop hip hop duo Slick and Rose. This is your special invitation to join us on September 24th from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. at Spelman College in the Cosby Auditorium for our panel discussion on African American women in media, the sex kitten versus the super brain. The reason we wanted to do this event is because oftentimes in media there is such a polarity on how African American women and women in general are displayed. You're either the sex kitten, where you're over-sexualized and devoid of any intelligence, or you're the super brain. You're so smart that you have no sexuality. This is simply not the women that I know, not the women we are. So this event is to encourage and inspire discussion amongst young women and media professionals to be the change that they want to see in the world by becoming creators, producers, writers, publishers, and really changing and shaping the way women are portrayed in society. It's free to students with a valid student ID and $5 to non-students, with all of the proceeds going to Girls Incorporated of Greater Atlanta. So we hope to see you, and we can't wait. The sex kitten versus the super brain. Which one are you? Go, go, go.